Hello, my name is Marianne Gezzar. I'm the senior recruiter at Summa Health, and I'm also a registered nurse. I've been a registered nurse for a very long time. I graduated from Kent State University, and my first job was at St. Thomas. I worked in med-surg, and I still remember my first day of orientation. I showed up to work. I had my crisp white uniform on. Yes, white. And it was a dress. And I had white hose and white shoes and that starched white cap on my head. Wow, things have really changed. I did work med-surg for a while and then went into critical care, ICU and CCU, and I did a short little job in staff development. In my staff development job, I was fortunate to be able to meet new people and get them oriented to the hospital. In that job, they came to me and offered me an opportunity to start nurse recruitment. Well, that was 32 years ago, and I've been doing nurse recruitment ever since. I tell you, my job is never boring. It never gets old. In the 32 years that I've been doing nurse recruitment, I've hired hundreds of nurses, and I've spoken to hundreds of nursing students and hundreds of high school students wanting to know, what do I do when I graduate from high school? It gives me great pride to look at those individuals and see them hired for the organization, go and grow professionally, personally, move to bigger and better jobs. It gives me great pride in my job as a nurse recruiter. One of the most common questions that people ask me, being a nurse recruiter, is, Marianne, do you ever miss being a nurse? And I had to think about that. And I look them straight in the eye and say, no, I don't miss being a nurse, because I am a nurse. I'm a nurse each and every day. I might not be at the bedside doing assessments, taking vital signs, but I am assessing people to do those jobs at the bedside. As I was preparing what I would say today in front of you, I was having a hard time picking out one particular scenario that was outstanding in my career, because fortunately there have been many. And fortunately today, believe it or not, it happened. This morning I spoke to an employee that called me into his office, and he showed me his certificate that showed 25 years of service, and he looked at me and he said, thank you, Marianne. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. And when I looked at him, he was getting really choked up, and he said, you know, this has been such a wonderful career for me, and those are the moments that make my job as a nurse recruiter so very important. So I thank the World Health Organization for saying that 2020 is the year of the nurse. I'm so happy and proud to be part of such an honorable profession.